Hello, my name is Jared Ensing, and my project is an aerodynamic diffuser for BMW. The purpose is to create less drag on the vehicle, which improves grip and stability at speeds of about 50 miles an hour and improves gas mileage. I chose to use 3003 1/8 inch aluminum for my project because of its good formability and lightweight. In my project, I used blue coat tables to make some fixtures to limit distortion and to hold parts where I want them. I implemented some slot and tab locators to create an easy and more accurate fit up. I left some locator tabs longer than needed so that there was enough material to weld and that it wouldn't melt away when attempting to weld. At first, my project was too big to cut out as one piece, so I shortened the design by 5 inches to make it possible and made 4 small mounting brackets to weld to it to get the desired length. I paid the company that I work for to cut my project and used the CNC brake press to form my parts. I accidentally formed one part with too much pressure and overbent it by 7 degrees. I then used a mallet to hit it back into tolerance of 18 degrees. After that, I placed the pieces in the locator tabs and started welding. Once that was finished, I welded in support pieces for when I cut out holes for the exhaust. I used a block of metal to place support pieces 3 inches from the base of the diffuser to give room for the exhaust to fit through. After that, I used a sawzall and cutoff wheel to cut holes for the exhaust. I didn't cut them out in the beginning to add support and help reduce distortion and also create a faster, easier fit up. I also used the sawzall and cutoff wheel to cut the extra material off of the slots used for locating, and I used a grinder with a flapper disc and a 2-inch die grinder with Scotch-Brite to clean up and deburr the cuts. After deburring the cuts, I welded the slots to the support pieces and used a squeeze clamp to bring the slots to the support.